Ibondioma, Ekenemono. Today is a special day, a very special day for everybody in Nigeria. Do you know why? Today everybody gets plenty messages, like 30, 50, 100, everybody wishing each other a happy new month. Isn't it funny? For me it's funny. We don't do this thing here. You know, this happy new month, God should bless you abundantly messages that I get every 1st of January, 1st of February, 1st of March, you name it. I get so many messages. I cannot even reply. I mean, if I reply all of them, I'll be busy until 15th of the month. So for me, it's very strange anyway. But the one thing I appreciate about all these happy new month messages, first of all, it reminds me that I'm alive, because my phone is ringing from morning till night. Second, it reminds me that there's people who care, which is a very lovely thing, you know. There's people who ignore you for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but by 1st off, they must message you. Though it's not always their own text, though, you know, by the time you have received 20 messages, you pick out the one you like and you forward them to all your friends. Maybe by mistake you forward them to somebody you don't even talk again with, but that's how you do it, you know. And I appreciate it. But third and most importantly for me, as Onyocha, these messages remind me that I have to pay my bills. Every 1st of the month, I must have paid my bills. If I didn't do it, trust me, these messages remind me that it's happy new month, time to pay your bills. Ekenemono.